The Anti-Terrorism Act is number 1. Medical Scholarship Act. Tagal ko na pinupush yan. Dapat pagka Pilipino gusto mag-aral ng medicine, libre. Dapat. Ganun. Amendments to the Public Service Act. The Mindanao Railways Authority. Yun yung mga hinahabol natin eh. Budget Reform Act. Yung emergency powers ng Presidente, National Transport Act. Yung reformation of the children in conflict with the law. Age of criminal responsibility. Yung mga yun, yung mga kayang ihabol yun in those 9 days.
Sir, up to third reading?
Oo. Up to passage. Kung pwede nga, up to bycam.
What's the word from the House? Are they...
Some of these are already passed by the House. Oo. Balagay ko, baka ma-debate pa at mapag-usapan pa yung reimposition of the death penalty. Baka mahabol. Medyo mahaba lang yan, but we can give it a try.
Yung lowering ng minimum age of...
Yun nga eh. Yun nga, kasama yun.
Sir, lahat yan third reading, pending for, for second reading, plenary debate?
Yes, oo. Yung iba dyan, lahat yan nasa floor na eh. So, malaki yung pag-asa nito na mapasa ito, second and third reading. May mga isa, dalawa dyan na baka nasa committee report pa lang, pero if really it's not important, pwedeng ipasa yan by the first week of June.
Sir, may kasamang funding provision yung Mindanao Rail?
Meron. I'm not sure. We're not sure of the amount.